Video we're going to see how we can use colors, how we can have a different colors for different HTML elements and components, because colors is really important when it comes to website. Because if color is not good, even though it has a lot of features and functionality, nobody's interested to see the website. So we'll see how the colors works, how you find the right colors, and because people get struggle to finding the colors. Okay, let's get started. As usual, let me start the tag. You know already, so I don't want to explain this again. You know that how to create HTML header, um, put title, title, uh, colors, and let's come to the body, and you see body here. Let me refresh, so let me change the file name. Learn colors. Okay, so now you look at the colors, and let's see now. Let's create a small div. So the colors is not just for div. Colors applicable for anything. So now let's go to the style. Let's create a style. I hope you know how to create a style, how to use style. If you don't know, please look at my previous video. I explain how to create style and how you can use the style in the element. So okay, let me do a little formatting. Okay, now format looks fine. So now I have a div. When I refresh, you don't see anything because div is nothing. It always in the 0 0, which means that you cannot see that until you have a size defined. So let's go. I let me create a class. I could say colors div. You can give any name, so this is just your name, any name you can give. And let's say property car height and 100 pixel and width 100 pixel. Now you got a size. Let's do refresh. Still you don't see anything. Why? Because you have a div but you haven't associated the colored style to your div. So what you have to do, simple type class. What's the class name? Colors div. Now let's do refresh. Still you don't have anything. Why? Because color div is here, and okay, is here, it's there, but you don't see it. Why? Because it's white. Background color, keep it something blue. Look at that. Now let's see, you got it right. So now you got a color, but so let's look at how do we create the colors. So there are multiple ways you can define the colors. As I'm using the tool, it's very easy for me to just get the color. If you just hover over the colors, you get the list of colors you can choose, and you see the right RGB, right? And you can just drop anything. You can choose any color, select any color, so you get the color. So this way you can choose the color from here. So this is one option if you use the tool. I will also explain how, if you don't have tool, how do you get a nice colors. um, of course I can also select from here because I'm using tool. I get the color. I don't want to save this one. So now how do I choose the different colors? So what you can do is the best way, go to Google HTML color codes. So you get a nice website here. So you can select the colors. So there are different colors. Let's say if you select this color, you can this color, this color. So whatever color you select, the color you wanted, and you see the hexadecimal code appears here, and you also see the RGB colors also appear. Very simple, just copy that, go here and remove this one, put this one, save this. Let's look at, see, color changed. This is the best way actually you can do it, or you can just copy paste this one. So it has either you can put hexadecimal. If you use hexadecimal, you need to use this hash function. If you use RGB, you need to just type RGB and just pass the parameter. So basically it's a combination of red, green, blue. um, just that's it, very simple. I just copied from here, that's it. Yeah, let me look at this one. So now let me use this color so you see the difference. See, after I saved, even color changed here. So come here, do refresh, you got the color. So this is a one way, or better way, and also you have nice colors. Mostly they use the different websites. You can click here again, you get the color code here. Come just, because you cannot remember all the code because there are like millions of color codes. You cannot just remember every color codes for your website. The best way to use the tool to find your right colors. Also this website has that famous colors in general. Different website use RGB, very simple, paste it, you get that. Look at this, you got a color. See, there are a lot of colors. Also you see here the famous colors. You can use any colors, or you can use chart. See here, whenever you click something, it generates the hexadecimal and RGB. There are a lot of websites you can just go and simply just copy. So you can convert the colors if you want, but best way is go on picker, or you have picker. So picker, as I said, you can, you already have, if you want any colors you can use it. You can have, they already have a list of colors, you can choose it. See, this change. If I want this color, I just simply need to copy. Look at that, now the color changed. Yeah, it's really interesting. So look at this color, select the color RGB. Look at the color change. So this is not just for a div. So let's say, let's go to let me go to different component. Let's create just close this div. Let me create a heading h1. Now you see, hello, this is header or heading 1. You see here, and you see, look at this, there's no color. And how do you add the color? You can add the color by adding style here, but always use the standard so you can reuse it. For example, I can create a new one, colors for h1. So you can give your own name, and I'm going to use uh, color, because you're not going to change background color, you're going to change the color, the text color. So refresh. Okay, because I didn't change the style, go back, add the style. Sorry, not style. You don't want to add the style, you can add the class and just copy it, paste here. Here you go. Look at the color changed. Now let's go and get a nice color for this text. I don't know what color I want to choose. Let me choose this nice color. Go back, just remove, go back. Look at that nice color, right? I can choose this one. Let's say Let me use if you RGB, the same method. There is nothing different here regardless of what element you use. RGB, you need to just provide the RGB colors you copied. Now you got it. Refresh, you got the color. So it's really simple, because you have to be expert if you want to design a nice and beautiful website. If you don't know how to choose colors, then it's really hard time to develop a website with a beautiful style. Because website is a front page, right? Even the website is has a machine learning result. The website doesn't have a nice color and style, nobody interested to see the website. That's the reality, right? So for that you need to have color sense. And yeah, of course you need to learn something. The coloring sense is really a skill, it's art. So the color sense comes from the art. So you need to learn by or do by practice. Even I suffer the coloring. I'm not good at the coloring, um, but somehow I just give, because there are two kind of people who has the they're really good at designing or coloring or art, and some sort of, and other folks who is really good at analytics, analysis. I'm good at the second one, but not in the first one. So let me try this one. It works. Nice. You got the color. Okay, blue. Okay. I think today you learn how to get the nice color for you. And this one, you can create any components. So the same formula, because this one used color because you are trying to color the text, and this one you are going to fill the background color. So but the color code is same for every element. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned the coloring today, and next video we'll see with a different element. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.